Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, March 8th, 2013, and the U.S. stock market is closed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average today had the fifth straight up day, and again made new highs. This market just won't give up. I think I read that this was the best week the stock market has had since the beginning of the year. It doesn't surprise me. I've said over and over again this is a bull market, but I want to throw in a little word of warning here. I've been trading markets for many years, and when the market does this kind of action, don't be surprised if we have a day or two where it just really drops downside very quickly, and then of course it will recover. But I have written books, and one of my concepts is something I call the rule of the screw. And the rule of the screw is that markets are going to do whatever they have to do to cause a maximum amount of damage to the majority of investors. And so when I see this action where it just goes up and up and up and up, but kind of up slowly, I get a little bit worried, because that's the kind of action that anybody can play that game and make money. And if anybody can play that game, make money, the market's going to screw them. So I'm just throwing a little bit of warning. It isn't that this isn't a bull market, but look for a bad day or two here coming up pretty soon, and don't worry about it. It's still a bull market. Anyway, the Dow made 67 points today, and we had a good day. We actually lost about $700 on the closeout trades because we had one terrible trade in GOL. That's Linhas Aéreas Inteligentes SA. It's a great market usually for us, but today it killed us. We lost about $4,000, and because we had that big loss in our portfolio, we didn't make any money on what we closed out, but we're carrying almost $10,000 in profitable open trade equity over the weekend, and we hope to get out of that on Monday with some good profits. Anyway, that's the way the market goes. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking here at the Dow Jones Industrial Average. This has just been up and up every day. Yesterday we got this up, pulled back a little, closed. Boy, this morning I couldn't believe this. This thing just shot up. At this point it was up almost positive 100, I think, and that did this immediately. It did this like within the first 2 minutes of the open. There was some very positive job news out. We've had a lot of positive job news, and this is driving the market. And then of course it pulled back and then built and then pulled back, but it ended up closing here fairly close to its highs for the day, and that is again a closing high greater than the market has ever been before. So it was a great day overall for the market. We are, as you can see here, holding $9,502 in open trade equity. We have really good trades in THC, MGW, and WNC, and the rest is just kind of Midland and in between. But as I say, we're holding almost $10,000 in open trade equity. I will show you, let's see, one good trade that we closed out was SHLD, that's Sears Corporation. We had gotten into that yesterday. right off the open, almost 45 minutes into the day. It just kept going up, and then this morning it really took off. It topped out here, and we got out a little below the top. That it was good for almost $4,000, but I'll show you a $4,000 loser, so I don't get accused of always showing you good trades. Let's see here. We're looking for this stock that's hard to pronounce. Linhas Aéreas Inteligentes SA, or GOL. And we got into this yesterday. Looked like maybe it was going to go someplace, but then it kind of drifted here. Started looking pretty toppy, but it actually closed. We had just only a small loss. And then this morning, the market opens up. Well, the Dow was just going crazy to go topside. This thing was dropping like a brick, and we dumped that 30 minutes into the market day, and that, dear friends, represents a $4,000 loss. Not so good. We had a lot of good stuff happening though today. As I say, we ended up losing like about $700 on what we closed out, but we're holding close to 10,000 in open trade. This is one of the open trades that we're open have MDW, and you can see how this thing came out of just a tiny trading range, and then this morning it really broke out. We bought it up here. Didn't look good at first, but then it started climbing, and then look at this right at the end, just really shot up here, and we're holding I think close to $4,000 in open trade equity in MDW. So this looks real good. Anyway, it was a great day. It was a really great day. Great day for the stock market overall, and we were happy to be in there and trading. It's Friday. I wish you all the best weekend, and I'll see you again on Monday. This is Trader Bob signing out.